Brian Bowersock, the Auto Man here. Today we're talking about if your vehicle overheats, the do's and don'ts. One of the most important things we always want to stress is if your vehicle starts to overheat, get you and your vehicle to a safe place as quick as possible. In other words, if you're on the freeway, get well off out of the traffic zone, or if you can actually get off the freeway, it's not overheating too bad. You do need to understand a vehicle overheating, the longer it's operated, the more chance of damage you run. There are multiple items inside a vehicle cooling system that can cause issues. Radiators that leak over time, coolant level drops low enough that we start to have an overheating issue. Hoses that blow and fail, if they haven't been inspected regularly, can cause complete loss of coolant, which will cause a vehicle to overheat. If you do see steam coming from under the hood, there's a good indication we have coolant leaking. If your temperature gauge or light comes on the dash telling you the vehicle's overheating, don't ignore it. Make sure and get the vehicle to a safe spot and have it inspected by a qualified technician. At the West Automotive Group, we keep a good eye on all your hoses, cooling system, etc., to try to keep your cooling system in good working order. I'm Brian Bowersock with the West Automotive Group.
Join the Auto Man next Friday during News 8 at 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. on the CW. Plus, listen to Auto Talk Radio Saturday mornings at 7 on the AM 760 KFMB.